Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin our drive at mile 263 in Rockingham County, Virginia. We've just left the city limits of Harrisonburg. We're heading north on US Highway 11, also known here as Valley Pike. On the left is Melrose Caverns, open daily for tours. Melrose Caverns lie under land owned by the Harrison family dating back to a pre-Revolution land grant. Discovered by John Harrison Sr. in 1818, the caverns became a site of interest during the Civil War when Union troops explored them in 1862. Soldiers left marks on the cave walls, now vivid reminders of the past. Today, visitors enjoy guided tours exploring the soldiers' living quarters and storage areas. Melrose Caverns offers diverse activities, including cave tours and weddings, catering to various interests. We enter the unincorporated community of Lacey Spring. There are two historical markers here that commemorate a clash between cavalry units during the American Civil War. This incident occurred on December 21, 1864, involving a portion of the 3rd Cavalry Division commanded by Union Colonel George Custer. They were attacked by Confederate Major General Thomas L. Rosser's Laurel Brigade, which led to Custer retreating to the north. Rosser managed to capture 40 of Custer's soldiers, along with their horses and camp supplies. Interestingly, Custer and Rosser were acquaintances and classmates at West Point in the same class of 1861. There's a possibility they even shared living quarters briefly. However, Rosser decided to resign from West Point in May of 1861, just before graduating, to join the Confederate cause. On the right is a sign advertising Endless Caverns, a show cave and RV resort. According to local tour guides, in October 1879, two boys discovered the cave while rabbit hunting on Reuben Zirkel's property. After cornering a rabbit, they moved some rocks and found a hole leading to many chambers. The Zirkel family soon began candlelit tours. In 1919, Colonel Brown purchased the cave, fully electrifying it for a grand opening in August of 1920 with lighting by Phineas Stevens. Additional electric work was done in 1928. Home to colonies of bats, Endless Caverns spans 5.5 miles, ranking as the 20th longest in Virginia and 176th in the United States, with sections still unexplored. We conclude today's video at mile 278. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.